Hey there, amazing souls! Welcome to a transformative experience that will take you on a journey deep within yourself. I'm so excited to embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery and growth with you. Together, we'll explore the depths of our minds and hearts, uncovering the hidden gems that make us who we are. Life is a gift, and it's time to unwrap your full potential and create a life you truly love. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose and joy, knowing that you are living your truth. We all have dreams, aspirations, and a burning desire to make a difference in the world. Whether it's through our careers, our relationships, or our personal passions, we all seek to leave a mark. Sometimes we just need a little push, a spark of inspiration to ignite our inner fire. It's that moment of clarity when everything seems possible, and we feel unstoppable. That's what we're here for, to empower you to step into your greatness and live life on your own terms. We'll provide you with the tools, insights, and support you need to overcome any obstacle. This isn't just about setting goals. It's about transforming your mindset, conquering your fears, and unleashing the unstoppable force within you. It's about embracing the journey, with all its ups and downs, and finding strength in every challenge. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go! Together we'll create a life filled with passion, purpose, and endless possibilities. The journey within starts now. Life can feel like a whirlwind sometimes. We're bombarded with responsibilities, deadlines, and expectations. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, lost, or unsure of which step to take next. But guess what? It's okay to feel this way. You're not alone in this journey. We all experience moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty. The key is to not let these emotions paralyze you. Instead, use them as fuel to propel you forward. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace the ups and downs, and know that you have the strength to overcome anything life throws your way. Doubt is a sneaky thief that loves to steal our dreams. It whispers lies in our ears, telling us we're not good enough, smart enough, or strong enough. But here's the truth. You are capable of amazing things. Don't let fear hold you back. The moment you start believing in yourself is the moment everything changes. Take that first step, even if it's small. Action creates momentum, and momentum creates results. So what are you waiting for? Start small, take consistent action, and watch as you move closer to your goals every single day. Throughout history, countless individuals have faced adversity and emerged stronger than ever before. Think of Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a challenging childhood to become a media mogul. Or J.K. Rowling, who battled rejection after rejection before her Harry Potter books captivated the world. These stories remind us that success is not a straight line. It's a journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. What sets achievers apart is their unwavering belief in themselves and their refusal to give up on their dreams. Section 5. Your daily dose of inspiration. Join the movement. Welcome to a place where motivation meets action, and dreams turn into reality. We believe everyone deserves a daily dose of motivation and inspiration. In a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, a little spark of positivity can make a huge difference. Whether you're facing a tough day at work, dealing with personal struggles, or simply looking for a boost to start your day, we are here for you. That's why we created this channel, to provide you with the tools, strategies, and support you need to unlock your full potential. Our content is designed to inspire, educate, and empower you to take control of your life. From practical tips on productivity and personal growth to heartwarming stories of triumph and resilience, we cover it all. Subscribe now and join a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to living their best lives. By subscribing, you become part of a movement that values growth, positivity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Our community is a safe space where you can share your journey, celebrate your victories, and find support during tough times. We share powerful videos, inspiring stories, and practical tips to help you overcome challenges, achieve your goals, and live a life filled with purpose and passion. Our content is carefully curated to ensure that you receive the best advice and inspiration from experts and real-life heroes who have walked the path before you. Share this message with your friends and family, and let's spread the inspiration far and wide. Imagine the impact we can create if each one of us takes a moment to uplift someone else. A simple act of sharing can ignite a chain reaction of positivity that reaches far beyond our immediate circles. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment. Let's build a world where everyone feels valued, motivated, and inspired to chase their dreams. Join us in this mission and let's make a difference, one inspirational story at a time. Section 6. My personal journey from doubt to determination. This is a story of resilience, growth, and the relentless pursuit of one's dreams. I'll be honest with you, my journey hasn't always been easy. There were times when I felt completely overwhelmed, questioning every decision I made. I've faced my fair share of setbacks, failures, and moments of self-doubt. Each obstacle seemed like a mountain too high to climb, each failure a reminder of my limitations. But through it all, I've learned that the power to change our lives lies within each and every one of us. It's about finding that inner strength, that spark of determination that keeps us moving forward. I remember when I was just starting out, filled with passion but lacking direction. I had big dreams but no clear path to achieve them. I felt lost and unsure of myself. Every step I took seemed to lead me further into a maze of confusion and doubt. But I refused to give up on my dreams. I knew deep down that if I kept pushing forward, I would eventually find my way. I devoured every book and attended every seminar I could find, hungry for knowledge and eager to grow. I sought out mentors and surrounded myself with people who inspired me. It was through these experiences that I discovered the power of mindset, the realization that our thoughts shape our reality, the importance of taking action, of not just dreaming but doing. Every small step, every little effort brought me closer to my goals, and the transformative impact of surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people we choose to be around can lift us up or drag us down. And now, I'm dedicated to sharing these lessons with the world. I want to inspire others to believe in themselves, to push through their doubts, and to chase their dreams with unwavering determination. Because if there's one thing I've learned, it's that success is not a destination but a journey filled with highs and lows, but ultimately one that is incredibly rewarding. So no matter where you are on your path, remember that every step you take is a step towards your dreams. Embrace the journey, learn from every experience, and never ever give up. Section 7. The time for action is now. There's no better time than right now to start living the life you've always envisioned. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect set of circumstances. The perfect moment is now. What is one small step you can take today to move closer to your goals? Write it down, commit to it, and take action. Remember, even the smallest step in the right direction can lead to incredible results. Section 8. Believe in yourself. You are capable of anything. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself, trust the journey, and never ever give up on your dreams. The world needs your unique talents and contributions. You have greatness within you. It's time to unleash it. Section 9. Let's build a community of achievers. We're not meant to go through this journey alone. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your vision. Together, we can achieve anything. Let's build a community of achievers, dreamers, and doers who lift each other up and inspire one another to reach new heights. Share your story, connect with others, and let's create a movement of unstoppable individuals who are committed to making a difference in the world. The journey starts now. Are you in? Are you?